Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share and like, and thank you for your support. Today we have 2018 Ford F150 pickup. And the reason of this car is we need to replace the body control module. Why we are replacing the body control module? Because the parking light, tail light is not working, signal light working. This is the central junction box, or you can say the body control module, which control the door lock, unlock, headlight, security, a lot of functionality, wipers, and if lights, headlights, a lot of stuff. If, for example, just signal light left side or right side doesn't work, everything have to be, the whole unit have to be replaced. It's good to have one piece, all of them in one piece, but in some reason, if something happened to it, you have no other choice, you have to replace everything. Now the old one is still inside, and the car is start. Be sure that you have two keys. This is the car, but this is say Focus, 2018 Focus. Okay, there is a mistake here. Let me go back, because when you come in first time, it asks you, is this car, there is a history in the car, can we go with it or not? So maybe I did not delete that one, I just say go ahead. So let me show you why Focus come in here. Maybe this car is 2070. You see, he say it will give you the car, the older car, the car that you are working on it before. I will click this one here. He will ask you, do you want to delete the session? I don't need that session at all. Delete it. Now we are going to create a new session on the, now you see here, start new session, all others. Let's go now. You're gonna wait a little bit, and here F150, you know, the year is 2017. I just get confused with that. F150 TI VCT, capacity 3.5 liter, automatic transmission, fuel type gasoline, emission level 50 state, not a California state. So we have to communicate with the car. The hood is open because we put a charger there, and we are using IDS. IDS software is Ford BCM 2. There is another VMM. It's, you know, like it have a lot of things that coming on. Also Ford have a new platform for diagnostic only. I'm gonna talk about that in another section. So let me do this one here. You see, this is a car again. It's come up. Why I'm seeing something complete? Now I'm gonna go here. Let me see the test first. I would like to make the test for the whole car, at least to see what happened. I'm gonna put the charger on because I have 18%. This is gonna take a long time. Sometimes you can put the module directly inside. Sometimes you have to leave the old one, and then after that you put it in. You see here. I don't know what is there, but okay, if you notice here, if we're gonna go through, I'm gonna push. You see everything here pass. This car is good. Pass, pass, pass. Let's go, scroll down. Pass, 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 pass. That means, okay, now you see here, power steering, lost communication with the body control, power steering module. I don't see anything again. So I don't see nothing wrong. But let's go now to see. We have only 2 codes. I'm gonna go back here on the tools, and then I will go to programming installation. I will go to body. You see how many computers are there? BCM here. And then I will click next. Ignition is on. You can go to VIN verification. If this is the VIN 2850, let me check here. Yes. That's the VIN. He asked me, is this VIN correct? I will say yes. Then you click next. Connect to the internet for the latest module programming feature. I want to be sure that I have internet. I don't have no internet connection. Let me see Optimum. I can connect to Optimum because I have you say cannot connect to this one. Okay, no problem. I don't know why, but excuse me. Is that the B30 SG, right? B as in boy. 3. I need that password again. He asked me about the internet. If you don't get internet, you cannot do nothing. So what I'm waiting for my friend to bring me the username and password for the internet. I need it. Optimum also you can have, if you have Optimum account, you can use that account, your own account, to log in from here. Anywhere that there is an Optimum in the United States of America, you will be able to get into the system and write down, get your username, password, and get it. Okay, now I'm gonna wait a little bit. If I get the internet ready, now I have the internet ready. Connection is secure. I will go in and click next. Now I'm gonna go through. I went through the maybe now you're gonna open, get the light, try to open that piece, and we have to prepare to install the module. The module location is the other side. We just have to take this one out, disconnect the wires that you see here, the 3 wires and this big wire, and put it in. But we're gonna wait for this. Sometime if there is an upgrade on the module, you cannot use the same information here to put it in. You may have to, it may not go through. So let's go ahead and wait a little bit. This is gonna take quite a little bit of time, so be patient. Don't be in a hurry. Please subscribe, share, and like. Let me freeze this one. Okay, now it asked me that require calibration file not found diagnostic tester. Okay, because long time ago all the calibration file are loaded into the diagnostic tester, so we are going online to look for that calibration file. So now locating the calibration file. We're gonna wait a little bit. Now locating necessary files and checking file for integrity. Please wait. If you notice here, it says diagnostic tester is attempting to copy data from the network. Locating necessary file, then checking file for integrity. Please wait. It takes about 10 minutes or 7 minutes to get the file. Ask me, is this car equipped with push access? I will say no. That means push button. So now, intelligence access, no. Turn the key off, click next.
Do it now. Empty the cans also.
Now,
Empty the cans.
Simban, install the new computer. So we are going to install the new file. We're gonna install new computer now. There. So stay with it.
Yep.
So this is gonna be maybe part 1, 10 minutes. We are going to install the new computer and then we take it from there. We come back. Thank you.